Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Biological Concepts. In today's video, we will going to discuss on some important questions on microbial genetics. Some brief notes regarding the questions and their related options are also provided here, which will be beneficial for you. So stay tuned in this video. The first question, an example of horizontal gene transfer is option 1 conjugation, option 2 transformation, option 3 transduction, option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 4 all of the above. So conjugation, transformation, transduction all are example of horizontal gene transfer. Now let's discuss about horizontal gene transfer. The horizontal gene transfer or lateral gene transfer is the movement of genetic material between organisms other than by vertical transmission of DNA from parent to the offspring. So, in horizontal gene transfer, the genetic material is transferred between organisms rather than from the parent to the offspring, which occurs in vertical transmission. This horizontal gene transfer is an important factor in the evolution of many organisms. And it is the primary mechanism for the spread of antibiotic resistance in bacteria. Nowadays, antibiotic resistance is a big problem, and this antibiotic resistance in bacteria spread due to the horizontal gene transfer. It plays an important role in the evolution of bacteria that can degrade noble compounds such as human created pesticides and in the evolution, maintenance, and transmission of virulence. So, this horizontal gene transfer is not only the primary mechanism for antibiotic resistance in bacteria, but it plays important role in evolution in bacteria and also in the maintenance and transmission of virulence. It is often involves temperate bacteriophages and plasmids. And as we have already discussed that, the example of horizontal gene transfer is conjugation, transformation, and transduction. Next question. The transfer of genetic material between bacteria through cell-to-cell contact is called option 1 conjugation, option 2 transformation, option 3 transduction, option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 1 conjugation. Now, what is conjugation? The conjugation is the transfer of genetic material between bacterial cells by direct cell to cell contact or by a breach like connection between two cells. So, in bacterial conjugation, there must be direct cell to cell contact, and it takes place through pillars. It takes place through pillars. It is a parasexual mode of reproduction in bacteria. So, it is a parasexual mode of reproduction in bacteria. Next, bacteria take up DNA from a live cell is option 1 conjugation, option 2 transformation, option 3 transduction, option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 2 transformation. So, transformation is the process of DNA uptake by the bacteria from the surrounding environment. The cells that have the ability to take up DNA are known as competent cells. The process was first reported in Streptococcus pneumonia by Griffith. Next question. The transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another bacterium via a virus is known as option 1 bacterial conjugation, option 2 bacterial transformation, option 3 bacterial transduction, option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 3 bacterial transduction. So, in bacterial transduction, the genetic material from one bacterium to another bacterium is transferred via a virus. The transduction is the process by which foreign DNA is introduced into a cell by a virus or a viral vector. So, in transduction, there must be an involvement of a virus or a viral vector. As we have already discussed that it is an example of horizontal gene transfer. Transduction, conjugation, and transformation, all three are horizontal gene transfer. Transduction does not require physical contact between cell donating the DNA and the cell receiving the DNA, which occurs in conjugation. So, in conjugation, there must be a direct cell to cell contact. It is DNase resistant. This transduction is DNase resistant, whereas transformation is susceptible to DNase. In transformation, the DNA is uptaken by the bacteria from the surrounding environment. It uptakes the naked DNA in transformation. Next question. Incorporation of viral DNA into bacterial genome occurs during option 1 generalized transduction, option 2 specialized transduction, option 3 conjugation, option 4 is transformation, and the correct answer is option 4 specialized transduction. Specialized transduction can occur only through lysogenic cycle, that is by temperate fudge or lysogenic fudge. In this process, restricted set of bacterial genes is transferred to another bacterium. So only a specific part of bacterial DNA is packed into the virus. It occurs when the prophage, that is the viral DNA, which gets inserted into the bacterial genome in the lysogenic cycle excises. When the prophage excises from the bacterial DNA, some parts of the bacterial DNA which are flanked on both sides of the prophage are also excised. Here, the newly packed fudge genome consists of both bacterial DNA and the viral genome. Later, when this virus with the recombinant genome infects a new bacterial cells, the bacterial gene also gets inserted into the host genome with this viral genome through lysogeny. Okay. Next question. During specialized transduction, dash is transformed. Option 1 large amount of DNA, option 2 a few genes, option 3 whole DNA, option 4 none of the above. And the correct answer is option 2 a few genes. As we have already discussed that in specialized transduction, restricted sets of bacterial gene is transferred to another bacterium. So this a few genes is transferred. This answer is correct. Next question. Viruses that attack bacteria are known as option 1 bacteriophage, option 2 bacterial viruses, option 3 bacteriocin, option 4 is bacterial viruses. And the correct answer is option 1 bacteriophage. Bacteriophage, also known informally as fudge, is a virus. So bacteriophage basically a virus that infects and replicates within the bacteria or archaea. So basically this bacteriophage is a virus, and this virus must infect and replicates within the bacteria or archaea. The term is derived from the bacteria and the Greek meaning devour. Bacteriophages are composed of proteins that encapsulate a DNA or RNA genome and may have structures that are either simple or elaborate. Next question. The first virus which involved generalized transduction is option 1 is temperate fudge, option 2 lactic fudge, option 3 lysogenic fudge, option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 2 lactic fudge. Whereas in specialized transduction, lysogenic fudge is involved. This lysogenic fudge also known as temperate fudge. So this lysogenic fudge or temperate fudge are involved in specialized transduction. Generalized transduction occurs when random pieces of bacterial DNA are packaged into the fudge. It happens when fudge is in lytic stage. Lytic phase occur the take over the machinery of the cell to make parts components. They then destroy or lyse the cell, releasing new phage particles. Whereas lysogenic phages incorporate their nucleic acid into the chromosome of the host cells and replicate indefinitely. And they transduce the host cell bacterial genome with the viral genome into the new bacterial cell. Next question. Episome is a special type of plasmid. Option 2, a special type of bacteria. Option 3, special type of virus. Option 4, special type of cell. And the correct answer is option 1, special type of plasmid. An episome is a special type of plasmid which remains as part of the eukaryotic genome without integration. Episomes manage this by replicating together with the rest of the genome and subsequently associating with metaphage chromosome during mitosis. Next question. In transduction, bacteriophage plays a role as option 1, donor, option 2, recipient, option 3, vector, option 4, episome. And the correct answer is option 3, vector. Transduction involves transfer of DNA from one bacterial cell to another using bacteriophage as an intermediate. So, bacteriophage act as an intermediate and as a vector. Transduction occurs when bacteriophage mistakenly packages the bacterial DNA into the phage particle, that is the transducing particle, either in place of or in addition to its own genome. So, when the phage mistakenly package only the bacterial DNA, it is in case of generalized transduction. Whereas in addition to its own genome, that is in specialized transduction, both the viral genome is integrated with the bacterial genome, and this bacterial genome is transduced to another bacterial cell with this viral genome. With the viral genome integrated with the bacterial genome, then inserted into a new bacterial cell. Next question. Specialized transduction is mediated by option 1, T4 phage, option 2 is M13 phage, option 3 is lysogenic phage, option 4 is lytic phage. And the correct answer is option 3, lysogenic phage. Specialized transduction is mediated by lysogenic phage, whereas generalized transduction is mediated by lytic phage. These bacteriophages viruses that infect bacteria and archaea and are classified as virulent, that is lytic, and or temperate phages, that is lysogenic, based on their life cycle. This temperated phage, that is also known as lysogenic phage, integrates its genome into the host bacterial chromosome as a prophage. Next question. Transduction is discovered by option 1, Lederberg and Totem, option 2, Ginder and Lederberg, option 3, Frederick Griffith. And the correct answer is option 2, Ginder and Lederberg. Transduction is horizontal gene transfer mechanism. It was discovered in bacteria Salmonella typhi in 1952. So, if the question comes, transduction was discovered in which bacteria, then the answer will be Salmonella typhi. Conjugation was discovered by option 1, Lederberg and Totem, option 2, Ginder and Lederberg, option 3, Frederick Griffith, option 4, Avery, McLeod and McCarthy. And the correct answer is option 1, Lederberg and Totem. It is also a horizontal gene transfer mechanism. In 1946, Lederberg and Totem showed that bacteria could exchange genetic information through unidirectional transfer of DNA, that is mediated by so-called F factor or fertility factor. Next question. Bacterial sex factor is option 1 F factor, option 2 cold factor, option 3 R factor, option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 1 F factor. F factor is the sex factor in bacteria. Next question. Conjugation cannot take place between option 1 F minus and F plus, option 2 F prime and F minus, option 3 HFR and F minus, option 4 is HFR and F plus. And the correct answer is option 4 HFR, that is high frequency recombination, and A plus. For conjugation to take place, one bacterium must have the A plasmid and the other should lack it. HFR has the components of A plasmid within its genome, so it cannot mate with another A plus which already have A plasmid of the fertility factor. Next question, which of the following cell is transferred to the as A minus cells? Which of the following cell is referred to as F minus cells? Option 1 male cells, option 2 female cells, option 3 both male and female cells, option 4 neither male nor female cells. So the correct answer is option 2 female cells. A minus bacteria do not contain F factor and act as recipient, whereas A plus bacteria contain F factor and act as donor. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.